Hi, I'm Marieke with Kawartha Lakes Public Library. Starting today, Wednesday, June 3rd, we're offering pickup service at our Lindsay and Fenelon Falls branches. I'm going to walk you through the pickup process. Pickup hours at both branches are Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Place your hold and wait for staff to call and let you know that your items are ready for pickup. When you arrive at the branch, please take note of the signage we have in place. In order to ensure proper distancing, we have established lineup and exit lanes at our branch entrances. Be prepared to wait, as our staff are only able to serve one patron at a time. Please only approach the pickup table when it's your turn. Once in the entrance, please wait at the red spot. Identify yourself to staff and they'll bring you your items. Ooh, thanks. When leaving, please make sure to take the exit lane. Please take your returns to the drop box. Staff cannot accept returns at the pickup table. If you have questions or need help placing a hold, you can email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. You can also call us at 705-324-9411, extension 1291.